Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of next topic, that is relative atomic masses. Okay, so as we know that an individual atom or a molecule is very small and light in weight, and hence it cannot be weighed directly. Okay, so and by using indirect methods, absolute mass of an atom was determined. It was found that mass of a carbon atom is 12. Okay, and thus the 1/12th mass of carbon atom works out 1. Thus 1/12th mass of a carbon atom works out as a 1. Okay, so student 1/12th mass of 1/12th mass of this carbon isotope of carbon was chosen as the standard atomic mass for comparing atomic masses of other substances. Alright, so in the next definition we will use carbon 1/12th of carbon. Okay, so atomic mass unit, in short AMU. So what is AMU? It is atomic mass unit. 1/12th of the mass of an isotope of carbon is called atomic mass unit. This one is called atomic mass unit. On the basis of this unit, the atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU. It must be remembered that AMU is only a number, okay, and has no units. It is only a number and has no units. So now I am going to explain you relative atomic mass on the basis of this definition. Okay, so student, what is RAM? RAM is a relative atomic mass. Okay, it is relative atomic mass, and the definition of this is it is a number that represent how many times one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12th of the mass of an atom of carbon. Okay, so this one is RAM. Now next to this is gram atomic mass. So student, what is gram atomic mass? The relative atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass or gram atom. Okay, for example, relative atomic mass means RAM of oxygen is 16 AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, so thus the gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Okay, so ultimately the relative atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. All right, so student, next topic is RMM. Okay, the full form of RMM is relative molecular mass. Okay, so definition with respect to carbon, it is the number that represents, okay, that how many times one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12th the mass of an atom of carbon. Okay, so student, on the same page in your book, okay, there is a table of relative atomic masses of some common elements. Okay, you can easily observe them from there. Okay, so and in the next class I will explain you calculation of relative molecular mass and percentage composition of a compound. Take care.